Are you ready to dive into the awesome world of YouTube? It's a platform where creativity knows no bounds. It's a place where you can share your thoughts, your creativity, and connect with people all over the planet. Whether you're into vlogging, gaming, cooking, or just sharing your daily life, there's a space for you here. This guide is your roadmap to starting your very own YouTube channel. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. We'll go step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this. Everyone starts somewhere, and with a bit of guidance, you'll be on your way to creating amazing videos. By the end, you'll be a YouTube pro. You'll learn about filming techniques, editing tips, and how to optimize your videos for maximum reach. Starting a YouTube channel can be life-changing. It's not just about the videos, it's about the community you build and the impact you can make. You can share your passions, make new friends, and even build a career. Many creators have turned their channels into full-time jobs, and you could be next. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this. Grab your camera, brainstorm some ideas, and start filming. The world is waiting to see what you have to offer. Remember, consistency is key, and don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique voice. As you grow, you'll learn to understand your audience better through analytics and feedback. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Collaboration is another fantastic way to expand your reach and learn from others. Attend events, network with fellow creators, and always be open to new opportunities. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and build a loyal community. Your audience is your biggest asset, so nurture those relationships. Planning is crucial. Create a content calendar to keep track of your ideas and ensure a steady flow of videos. Consistency helps in building a dedicated audience. As you progress, consider investing in better equipment and learning new skills. The quality of your content can significantly impact your channel's growth. Stay inspired and motivated. Watch other creators, learn from their successes and failures, and always strive to improve. Your journey on YouTube is unique, and with passion and dedication, you can achieve great things. So let's get started. The world of YouTube is vast and full of possibilities. Embrace the adventure, and who knows, you might just become the next big thing. Happy creating. Lights, camera, action. The world of YouTube is vast and full of potential. Why should you start a YouTube channel? It's a question many people ask, and the answers are as diverse as the content on the platform. Well, there are tons of reasons. First off, it's a fantastic way to express yourself. Whether you're passionate about cooking, gaming, education, or just sharing your daily life, YouTube gives you a platform to showcase your unique voice. Got something to say? Make a video about it. Your thoughts, ideas, and creativity can reach millions. Secondly, YouTube is a global community. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about connecting with people from all corners of the globe. You can connect with people who share your interests no matter where they are in the world. Imagine discussing your favorite topics with someone halfway across the planet. It's like having a billion friends. The sense of community and belonging is unparalleled. Third, YouTube can open doors to amazing opportunities. It's not just about fame, it's about growth and learning. You could become an influencer, collaborate with brands, and even get sponsorships. These opportunities can help you grow both personally and professionally, or even turn your passion into a full-time job. Many YouTubers have turned their hobbies into lucrative careers, achieving milestones they never thought possible. Additionally, YouTube is a fantastic learning platform. You can learn new skills, from video editing to public speaking, and even marketing. Engaging with your audience can also provide valuable feedback and help you improve your content. The creative process is incredibly rewarding. From brainstorming ideas to seeing your final product, every step is a learning experience. And let's not forget the thrill of watching your channel grow. Each new subscriber, each comment, and each like is a testament to your hard work and creativity. So why YouTube? Because it's a platform that offers endless possibilities. It's a place where you can be yourself, connect with others, and turn your dreams into reality. Start your YouTube journey today and see where it takes you. All right, let's get down to business. The first step is creating your very own YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's super easy. Head over to YouTube and click on the Sign In button. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one. It's quick and free. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture and select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to choose a name for your channel. Pick something catchy and memorable. Now that you have a channel, it's time to make it your own. Click on Customize Channel to start personalizing your space. First up, choose a profile picture that represents you or your brand. This is the first thing people see, so make it count. Next, add a banner image that reflects your channel's theme. Think of it as a giant billboard for your content. Finally, write a compelling channel description. Tell people what your channel is all about and what kind of videos they can expect. Section 5, Step 3, Lights, Camera, Upload. This is where all your hard work comes together. You've spent hours planning, filming, and editing. Now it's time to share your creation with the world, sharing your masterpieces. Here comes the fun part. Uploading your videos. This is the moment when your content goes live, reaching audiences far and wide. It's an exhilarating feeling, knowing that your work is about to be seen by potentially thousands, if not millions of people. Click on the camera icon at the top of the screen and select Upload Video. This is your gateway to the world. The process is straightforward, but each step is crucial to ensure your video gets the attention it deserves. Choose the video file from your computer and give it a catchy title. The title is your first impression, so make it count. It should be intriguing and relevant to the content of your video. Remember, the title is the first thing people see, so make it interesting. A good title can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Spend some time brainstorming and testing different options. Next, write a detailed description of your video. This is your chance to provide more context and information about your content. A well-written description can help viewers understand what to expect and why they should watch your video. Use relevant keywords so people can easily find it. Keywords are essential for search engine optimization, SEO. They help your video appear in search results when people look for content related to your topic. Finally, choose a thumbnail image that will grab people's attention. The thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It needs to be visually appealing and give a hint of what the video is about. Think of it as the cover of your video book. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. Experiment with different designs and see what works best for your audience. And there you have it. Your video is ready to be shared with the world. Happy uploading. Section 6. Step 4. Titles, Descriptions, and Tags. Making your videos findable. Want people to find your videos easily? Of course you do. That's where titles, descriptions, and tags come in. Your video title should be short, catchy, and relevant to the content. Use keywords that people are likely to search for. In the description, provide more details about your video. Use complete sentences and include relevant keywords. Tags are like hashtags for YouTube. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that describe your video. Section 7. Step 5. Engaging your audience. Building a community. YouTube is all about connecting with people. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and running contests. Create a community by encouraging viewers to subscribe to your channel, like your videos, and share them with their friends. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Remember, your viewers are the heart and soul of your channel. Section 8. Step 6. Promoting your channel. Spreading the word. Don't be shy about promoting your channel. Share your videos on your other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Reach out to potential partners and propose collaborations that benefit both of you. Attend industry events and connect with fellow creators and viewers. Networking is a great way to grow your channel and build relationships. Section 9. Step 7. Consistency is key. Keep the content flowing. Consistency is crucial for YouTube success. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Your viewers will come to expect new content from you on a regular basis. Don't disappoint them. Plan your content in advance and create a content calendar. This will help you stay organized and ensure a steady stream of videos. Section 10. Step 8. Analyzing your performance. Tracking your success. YouTube provides a wealth of data about your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your views, watch time, audience demographics, and more. Pay attention to which videos are performing well and try to understand why. Use this information to create even better content in the future. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you learn about your audience and what they enjoy, the more successful your channel will be. Section 11. Conclusion. Your YouTube journey begins now. Congratulations! You're now well on your way to becoming a YouTube sensation. Remember, The most important thing is to have fun and create content that you're passionate about. Be yourself, engage with your audience, and never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting to see what you've got, so go out there and make some awesome videos.